Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can simulate scan body temperature on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So we have to start from downloading this app and of course launch it. Now skip this window and wait a second to close the ad. Now go to the simulation section by this icon, and if you want to start the simulation scan, just hold your finger here. Now wait a second again. Close the ad. And how you can see, this is my result. If you want to save it, tap on this button and confirm it by the save. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.